Hello, today we will guide you through how to show profile picture instead of video in Zoom. If you want to appear in a Zoom meeting without keeping your camera on, Zoom can display your profile picture in place of your live video. This is helpful when you prefer more privacy, have limited bandwidth, or simply do not want to be on camera during a call. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the quick steps to make that happen during a meeting. To begin, open the Zoom app on your device. Make sure the app is fully launched and that you're on the main Zoom home screen before moving forward. Starting from the app itself is important because the video controls you need are only available once you are inside a meeting. Next, open a sample meeting. This can be any meeting where you want to test how your video appears. Joining a sample meeting is a simple way to confirm that your profile image shows correctly before using the same setting in a real meeting. Once the meeting window opens, give it a moment to fully load so all the controls appear on screen. Now direct your attention to the bottom left area of the meeting window. This is where Zoom places the video control icon. The icon is usually easy to recognize because it looks like a small camera. If your mouse is not moving and the toolbar is hidden, move your cursor slightly over the Zoom window so the bottom menu becomes visible again. When you locate the video icon, click it to hide your video. This turns off your camera feed, and instead of showing live video, Zoom will display your profile picture to the other participants as long as a profile image has already been added to your account. If you do not yet have a profile picture set up, Zoom may show your initials or a blank placeholder instead. That's all you need to do. Once your video is turned off, your profile image becomes the visual representation of your presence in the meeting. As a quick tip, if you plan to use this often, it's a good idea to make sure your Zoom profile photo is clear and professional, since that is what others will see in place of your camera. With these simple steps, you can control how you appear in Zoom meetings while keeping the experience polished and convenient.